Hey YouTube, this is Jay and T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? Alright, so what I've done so far is like in our last video. So what we did was we cut the whole bottom out 2 inches all the way across. Okay. Alright, so we cut this out 2 inches all the way across. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this here. Okay. So I'm going to cut this piece just under this lip right here. Okay. All the way across. And what I'm going to do, which I've started to do already, okay, it's hard to do with one hand, but what I've started to do already is I've started to remake our front clip. Okay, so I'm going to start remaking the front clip out of cardboard. Lock it all up out of cardboard. So I'm actually going to make this whole front piece from here all the way across, all the way around, and all the way over. And we're just going to keep this part right here. So I'm going to cut this down all the way across because we need this to be flexible. Now if I make this out of fiberglass, this is not going to be flexible. So I need this to be flexible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize this, and I'm going to fuse the fiberglass to this piece here and cut this all the way through. All right. So I'm going to continue building the whole bottom section out of cardboard, and then we're going to cover this in aluminum foil, and then we're going to fiberglass over this. All right. So right now, we're just going to continue rebuilding this section right here. So I'm going to put you on hold a second. I'm going to let the heat gun heat up, and we'll go from there.